Yes, no, it's not. The color of this thing is orange.
Something to eat. Round and orange. It's a cookie.
No, it's not a cookie.
Just one last chance, you know?
No, it's not a cookie.
I'll give up.
What? How can you give up? It's something to eat that's round and orange. It's an orange. It's an orange.
Me like that food. Is it an orange?
Of course it's an orange. I told you it was an
Me
orange.
guess right. Me get cookie. Give me cookie.
No, you don't get a cookie.
Wow.
I told you what it was. I told you it was an orange. You didn't guess it right.
Frog.
What?
You know, life's not all guessing games, Frog. Sometimes we have to care about friends, especially friends who love cookies. Friends who love cookies so much they play silly guessing games because maybe, just maybe a frog, a very handsome frog who has cookie, will give best friend who no can live without cookies. Give that best friend a cookie. But if friendship means nothing,
Okay. Here's your cookie.
one measly cookie? Speaks like that deserves at least 5 cookies.
I only had one cookie.